Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story music not working. So guys, if you want to upload any story on your Instagram account and want to use any music on that story and music is not working, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now I am going to use any music on my Instagram story and check that what kind of error I am facing. So guys, simply I am clicking on story and add story. So guys, for example, I am adding this story on my Instagram, and guys, simply you need to click on your story and click on music. And guys, after this you can select any one music from here. And guys, if you want to search from music library, so guys, you can search as well from any kind of. So guys, here you can see I have searched this keyword, and guys, I am clicking on this one. So guys, now you can see my music has been successfully used in this story. So guys, if your music is not worked on this story, then guys, I'll help you how to fix. So guys, simply first of all you need to update your Instagram. So maybe this error occurred due to oldest version of Instagram. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching it, Instagram, you need to click on search it. And guys, after this you can open it, and guys, here you will find the option of update. So guys, now you can see my app is not updated. So guys, if your app is also not updated, then you need to update from here. And guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys, check that after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem after updating, simply you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on general, iPhone storage, and guys, here you need to find Instagram. So guys, you can see here, simply you need to click on it and click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store and log in again your account. And guys, after offloading your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use any music on your story. So that will be working. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to open your settings and click on screen time. And guys, after this click on content and privacy restrictions of this feature. After doing this you need to go back, scroll down, click on general, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing all the methods your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use any music on Instagram story. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.